going to ask Kenyans what they think about Ghana and Ghanaian people. What's up?
I'm cool, bro.
I'm Evans. What is your name?
I'm Milton.
Milton?
Yeah.
Milton Obote?
No, I'm Mono. Yeah.
Do you know Milton Obote?
Yeah.
What do you know about him, bro?
The one of the first presidents of Uganda.
Uganda?
Yeah.
He was overtaken by Idi Amin.
Idi Amin, yeah.
As a Kenyan, and as an African, what do you think of Ghana and the Ghana people?
I think the Ghana, they should be given an opportunity to explore their talents.
Would you choose to work and live in Ghana?
Not really. Not really. Comparing to Kenya, Ghana is not really developed. So I think for me it's the development. I really check about on the development sector. So that's why.
You hear of the term West Africa, what comes into your mind first? Which country?
Music. Nigeria. Ghana has talent, but it needs to be explored. Yeah.
So would you mind telling me the capital of Ghana?
Accra.
Maybe two other cities in Ghana?
Not really sure about Ghana, but I know Accra.
Like one actor, just give me one actor from Ghana.
I don't know. No.
The black Americans that
yeah.
coming to Ghana. Why do you think that is the case? Why only Ghana?
Ghana, I'm not sure.
Do you date or marry a Ghanaian woman?
Yeah.
Any reasons?
Stuff. Yeah.
So if you have any message, what would that be for the Ghanaian people?
Chase your dreams. Just chase your dreams. Because I know Ghana has popular soccer players.
Hi,
I'm Joshua.
Joshua.
Yes.
You Kenyan?
Yes, I'm Kenyan.
Do you love Kenya?
Yeah, I love Kenya.
So as a Kenyan, and as an African, what do you think of the Ghana people and Ghana as a country?
Okay, the Ghana people.
Yes.
Okay, I must say I admire the football very much because in terms of football they are a little bit higher than Kenyan football.
True.
So I like their football first. Second, I also like their culture, though. Okay, and I'll learn much of history because I did history as a subject.
Yeah, sure.
So we learn about some of their culture. And I actually like that culture. Yeah.
So who is the president of Ghana today?
I'm not really sure about that.
The capital city of Ghana?
Accra.
Accra?
Yeah. Any
other two cities in Ghana?
Okay. There's...
You did history, right?
Yeah. Kumasi and Takoradi.
Kumasi and Takoradi.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is Ghana the Gold Coast? Was it the Gold Coast?
Yeah, it was the Gold Coast.
As a Kenyan, would you marry or date a Ghanaian person?
Okay, yeah, I would.
You, as a Kenyan, would you leave Kenya to go and work and live in Ghana?
Okay, personally, it might be hard because, everything, family and... I just have to live my whole life here and go there.
But I think Ghana is a poor country or a rich country.
Okay, most countries in Africa are third world countries, so it's somewhere, say, poor rather.
But Ghana has one of the strongest, top 5 strongest currencies in Africa. The Ghanaian currency is even stronger than the South African currency. Which means it's even stronger than the Kenyan currency. So it's a rich, growing economy.
Okay.
Yeah. You talked about football.
Yeah.
So would you mind telling me 2 footballers from Ghana? Just 2.
Ghanaian footballers. Yes. Let me see. I forgot the names, but Zico too early.
If you have any message for the Ghanaian people, what would that be?
Okay, I'll just say that keep up with the good football first of all.
I'm Cess.
Do you love Africa?
Yeah, it's a continent here. First of all, maybe you can talk about the climate, the people in the continent itself, and maybe also the food and everything. Like most of the things are natural, not actually processed. Now, I'm not against GMO, but I'm just saying it's like a privilege to actually eat food fresh from the farm. Not much actually, but I'm not sure, but I actually have a taste in music, but maybe I think there's an artist called Aya Nakamura, but I'm not sure if she's from Ghana or somewhere like that. But yeah, I actually don't know a lot from Ghana about Ghana. Depends. I have actually an interest into her. Not just because she's Ghanaian, but actually if me and how we have a rhythm together and the chemistry actually works. Yes, I can.
What would be the reasons, bro? Do you think Ghana is a poor country or a rich country?
I can't say it's a poor country, but I guess it's actually a developing country.
Developing country.
Yeah.
So have you heard that the president of Ghana is allowing black people from America to come and live in America, to come and live in Ghana? Do you think it's a wise move for the president?
Actually, I'm not sure about that.
It's true.
I don't know actually about the news, but the blacks come into Ghana to live.
Yes, actually to live permanently.
To live permanently.
Yes.
Actually, I don't think it's a big deal or anything, because also, like in our country, the citizens are actually given like green cards to go and live into the US for permanently actually and work there. So I don't think it's a bad move for the country, because they're also bringing other minds from a place that it's from another continent. So like they're bringing other resources into the country, new minds, new ideas. Yeah. Is it Accra?
Is it or not?
I think it's Accra.
Everyone knows Accra. Any other two cities?
Two cities? I have no idea. Maybe the diverse people, the different people you meet every day.
Do you think of the cultural differences between Ghana and Kenya?
For us, we contribute in actually growing coffee. They do cocoa. That's a big difference actually. Maybe, I don't know about the food, but I think it's different from theirs and ours.
Do you think Kenyan economy is stronger than the Ghanaian economy?
Yes, I think so.
Any reasons?
For the countries we do trade with and the economic relationships with other countries, I think if anyone is asked about maybe countries that are actually doing better in like business and everything, maybe we can mention Kenya as among them. But also would not leave out Ghana, although I don't know about the economy. But yeah, I guess every country in Africa has a way that it stands above every other country. There's something genuine about this country and another one. So I guess even Ghana has something that stands out compared to Kenya.
If you have any message for the Ghanaian people, what would that be?
Visit Kenya and see the people who are actually living here.
Called Christian.
A scale of 10, I want you to rate Africa.
Maybe 9 or 8.
9 or 8?
Yes.
Any reasons?
First and foremost, I like to appreciate our wildlife. Secondly, I value our tradition.
Yes.
Yeah.
As African or as Kenyans?
As Africa.
As Africa?
Yes.
Wow. So when you hear of the term West Africa, which country comes into your mind first?
For me, I'll say Nigeria.
Good about Nigeria?
Afrobeats.
Today you're going to talk about Ghana. Yeah.
Okay.
As a Kenyan and as an African, what do you think about Ghana and the Ghana people?
In my perspective,
yes,
I think when I think of Ghana, I think about their football. There's a time that they were the first country to make Africa to reach at quarterfinals in the World Cup.
That's this one, Mama?
2010, no. This one was surpassed by Morocco. Yes.
So Ghana was the first country in Africa.
Yes.
Wow. So any two players from Ghana?
Currently or?
Currently.
Currently.
Yes.
Oh Lord. It will take me more time to think about it. Yes, and I think Ghana, in terms of sports, they value their sports, unlike Kenya. Yeah, like for example, I'm a basketball player, but we are not paid very well by our Kenyan government. Yeah, so in Ghana there's a better opportunity. So it's a rich country.
Why would you say it's a rich country?
According to my research, Kenya is top 6. Then I'm not sure about Ghana, but it's ahead of us. I think it's the 3rd or the 4th. I would.
What would that be for the Ghanaian people?
Going to support their agriculture in terms of cocoa, because we know Ghana is a cocoa plantation country. Yeah, I'll just say that. And my reason for saying that is because you witness what happened at Mumia's sugar. So if they do that, it will be very bad in terms of the